we were talking about having a DST lab in all the medical colleges in the north zone, and related to that, what are the strengths why we are focusing on that is because of these reasons. All the medical schools have trained faculty, they have technical expertise available, they have PG students who can be used as a resource or the manpower. They have some infrastructure, finally, in whatever shape, it might be small, but some infrastructure is existing, and they have an administrative office which can help them to provide the mechanisms. Above all, they have a will to cooperate and help the program. What are the challenges which are being looked by majority of the people? They have challenges with their basic infrastructure, space, funding, biosafety measures, administrative commitment is low, human resources is limited, and the standard training for the manpower which they can use for the program. I'll take each one of them separately. What the opportunities medical colleges will have due to this? They'll have a good lab, established mycobacteriology lab, which will lead to strengthening of other services of the department, and they'll be able to provide better services to their patients through this lab. They'll have better interdepartmental cooperation from their colleagues in other departments. They'll have better teaching and training facilities, and definitely they'll be able to help the program and contribute in some way. Coming to the challenges one by one, first is the administrative commitment. The solutions which were shown by, which were kind of suggested by people were that, firstly, the program has to provide sensitization to secretary, principal secretary, or whosoever is responsible, the topmost body who is responsible for providing the resources to that particular institution. Program is also, it was also proposed that program should propose to Medical Council of India to make it mandatory for every institution, and this should be included for recognition of the medical degrees, otherwise it will be threatened. The de-recognition can be kind of it can be a punishment which can be shown to them. It's most important people realize that the head of the institution need to be sensitized. If he is aware and he or she feels that it is very important, then probably it will be easier for the department to have the facility. Regarding space, the suggestions which were came, like the program should approach the administration to make the space available as per the recommendation, and that should be mandatory for the organization or the institution. In most of the places there is no primary lab also. So providing that much space might be a limitation.